तालिबान के आतंकियों ने
यूनाइटेड नेशन को
तोड़ा था।
They has to take
हिंदुस्तानियों के दिल को चीर रहा है।
verification, fact verification report to give to India as per reading, consulting that all Sanskrit manuscript, that Puran, Samhita, epics, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita, etc. mentioned Vedas, places in the world and India. Those places, they have to decipher the name of Ramallah, Rome, Khartoum, Egypt, Horus, Isis, Ra, Ramadi, Baghdadi, Kaaba, Mecca, Al-Shibab al-Haraj, Turkey, Istanbul, Greece, Siberia, Indus, Indica, Indus, Hindustan. So when the people is reporting me that some 13,000 temples were there in the original place of Hinduism or Orkhism. Orkhism is Sun Dynasty, Hinduism, Moon Dynasty. Moon Dynasty original place is West Pakistan, and India has got a name from that India, Indus River, Indua, and the river has got name from the Hindu clan inhabitants area, Indus. So they has to give explanations, all that cult how majestically similar Indonesia, Malaysia, Korea, Japan, Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, America. America is the America Desh, then Mayan cult Mayavi, and Mexico, Moksika Desh, Scandinavia, Norway, Italy, Rome. Then is Australia also. So all over the world we believe that the greater India and the greater India. So the British government is answerable with their old document. Those documents will not be compromised, and it's not supposed to be compromised. And India is need to be united, as India is harboring Muslim more than Pakistan or Bangladesh. So even that Muslim is originated from Hinduism. Mullah looks from Mullah, Kaaba, etc. All this explanation history I have given my 5 Facebook, 10 Facebook, 15 Facebook, and one report was submitted to Indian government India. It is all for world religious oneness and world people oneness. Source identities, those peoples, these Indian peoples, blaming, and particularly Indian government peoples remain anti-Hindu. Even in these countries made for Hindustan, kept mainly, but that has been secular. And to take this vote from this Islamic people, Pagani, just like Joy Biden, Democrat, etc., to push the immigrants or socialist labor parties, to push or to ask immigrants from outside so they can, the cult destroying force, Islamic dominance creating the religious group of Bengali leftist group who has reached all over the world, more than 10 million people. Good English speaker has taken control all politics of the world, and they are doing harm against world humanity. So you have to give teaching of this man, and I in any way need this unification of Pakistan, merging of Pakistan into India and Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka and Nepal and Bhutan. Afghanistan
में हिंदुओं की जनसंख्या घटने की वजह क्या है?
then there will be no problem
कश्मीर पर छाती पीटने वाले
for the
इमरान खान
Islamic fanatic wrong people of China to do anything wrong. If China can keep Uyghur, Tibet and other places,
जम्मू कश्मीर तो
then why India cannot take back those lands? And how doing wrong as USA called that Uyghur is wrong, USA, Russia to blame to China, others NATO forces, even Islamic countries, then how China can remain as a satanic power representative who do not give that transparency data to the world? So this country cannot remain in UN Security Council. It is an illegal activity. And crime, emergency, peace breaking, that harmony, unity of the world peoples. This particular race run by these communist people, dominant culprit criminals. All the peoples of China may not be wrong, but this who is this culprit criminals, communist Maoist? They has to give democracy, return to the China. And is until they are not returning China, the satanic savage country cannot be kept further in US Security Council, even cannot be given that United Nations membership. It is not democracy, when speech of freedom is not provided by these people. So this is that. This has to do by Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. Your integrity is so. You people has been tarnished by me and other. One leader almost do not in fear that your economic power is still high. But your country will be dismantled. Those people who once told America Nipadja, America Nipadja, America Nipadja, America Nipadja, PLO कब्जा करने वाला Israel Nipadja, Western community Nipadja, Western peoples Nipadja. Now those peoples has come from Bengal and gathered at Cuban, Mexican Sea. They have captured your all science and technology, institute, media and political defense, etc. All these things, narcotic, illegal film productions and the media, the religious activity in the name of religious disguises they are doing, undersea, turmoil, disturbed, so those reasons. For that reason, I am Dr. Rabindranath Rao, as I am floated my all identity put in that book, and so you can get my identity.
Your political party said, made this argument about BSF.
And these peoples of Indians, politics and the secretaries is not competent enough that why they cannot understand the Rishi Aurobindo's message, which could have make world better and brighter, united, harmony, prospector than catastrophe, what whole world humanity is facing existence uncertainty.